My people, how una dey? Like I talked last week, I say I go come back and I go start again. Una see as I wrap up. Na cold dey catch me. Cold don start for here, no be small o. I even be wan go outside say make I go video my street for una, make una see as leaves don dey fall comot for tree. Autumn don start, abi dem dey call am fall for after leaves wey dey fall for ground. But I no fit comot o, abeg. I say make I just stay, make I just greet una gist small about things wey dey happen. How una dey prepare for Christmas now? No say remain like 2 months o. Christmas go soon come. Like joke, this year don waka go, but we still dey alive, so plenty things dey wey person go take thank God. Na im be my own. But as this naira dey fall yakata, e dey fall like the leaves wey dey fall for this tree o. Wetin we fit do now? We wey we no dey government, wey we go say whether we put mouth for the matter, how we go manage the little money wey we dey get now? Because to buy things now, I hear say e no easy o. Even for us here too, we get the same challenge. Things dey cost, so na to learn how to you go manage the little wey you get. And at least for Nigeria, person fit go meet somebody say abeg I never eat o, make you give me something chop. For this place, you no fit do that one o. You no fit do that one. At the very worst, you go charity go collect. The only good thing be say charity dey help people well well. Dem dey collect things and dey organize themselves, dey give people wey dey struggle or wey no get enough, just to help them, families with children and so on and so forth. So different ways wey people dey manage themselves. If you get any way wey person fit manage the little wey e get, whether you know where to get things cheaper, or whether una fit gather una sef together buy in bulk share, make una let me know. Make una put am for comments. Put una suggestion for comment, make I share am with my people. So thank you. I go see una again. Bye.